Ladies and gentlemen, we have a small inconvenience. The landing gear decided to stay home today. But no worries, who really needs wheels when you've got style? Alright, flaps full, speed under control. And now, the world's most expensive slip and slide begins. Come on, baby. Stay straight. Don't scratch the paint too much. Oh yeah, who needs gear when you've got nerves of steel and a good insurance policy? There you have it. Belly first, pride intact, runway kissed, passengers probably traumatized.